Hey everyone, this is Chuck. Welcome to our version of the Cool Connection integrated business process is what we'll be looking at here. So let's jump over to the share screen here, and we'll come over and take you through a little bit of the context as well as the decisions you'll be making in our simulation here. So let's go ahead and get started with that. So here's what the Cool Connection is. It's a learning experience, a simulation, where we're going to bring together the physical and the financial part of the supply chain. So we're going to put you into teams of 4. You're going to have to manage our company called the Cool Connection, which is a personal care production company. So as a management team, you can see here, you've got to balance constraints, manage all the connections of the physical and supply chain, and as a team, turn around the company and make it profitable. So you'll work together as a team to make all your decisions, and you'll be working with suppliers, customers, banks, and credit insurers. Now we've got multiple products that you'll see here, and we'll show you where all this stuff is in the simulation. But these are our personal care products that we have. We bring in components, we store them in an inbound warehouse, we mix the ingredients, bottle them, put them in an outbound warehouse, and then ship them off to the company, or off to the customers, excuse me. Customers come from all over the world. We're in the Netherlands ourselves. Not all of these customers will be available to you in this version, but you'll see the customers as they're introduced. So we've got 4 roles here that you'll see. One of you will be sales, one of you will be purchasing, one supply chain management, the other one finance, and your goal is to turn around the company. So you've got to coordinate and cooperate with customers, banks, excuse me, suppliers, credit insurers if they apply, and balance both the finance and the supply chain together. So one without the other is not successful. You've got to be able to bring together both the supply chain and finance. Okay. Part of it also will be deciding how you want to operate as a team as well as individually. And so how do you work together? How do you experience it? How do you learn and develop together? Because again, like the financial and the physical, they have to work together. Team has to work together and collaborate and cooperate as well. Okay, so just to give you an example, looking at the screen here, you're responsible for customers if you're in sales. So you'll be dealing with a number of decisions, both on the physical side as well as on the financial side. Purchasing will be responsible for suppliers, again, both on the physical and financial side, and we'll show you the specific decisions in just a little bit. Supply chain management is responsible solely for production inventory management, so you play a coordinating role. You have indirect effects on the financial supply chain. So how much inventory, how much you manufacture, how much you store in the warehouse, how many people you have, those show up on the income statement. And what happens from there then, of course, is you've got to balance the cash flows and make the working capital exist to be able to do that. Again, finance is responsible for managing the cash flow. They too have an indirect effect by making sure they take out the proper loans if that applies in the setting that you're in, or credit insurers, or current ratio promises or forecasts, or budgets in our case here. So that's basically the Cool Connection that we're looking at here. And next we'll move into the decisions that we have to make here.